KZ Sandalan. May problema ka man o naguguluhan, tawag na sa iConfessions. iConfessions with KZ Sandalan.
Maraming salamat mga best friends sa nakasama natin ngayong iConfessions na ito. It's already October 20, 2017 at 66 days na lang. Pasko na, best friend. Nag-post ako sa ating KZ Sandalan page. At makikita nyo rin naman, best friend, sa ating IFM Dagupan FB page, yung mga post dyan about iConfessions and KZ Sandalan. Kaya naman mga best friend, huwag ka na magpahuli. I-like nyo na po yan. At sa ating mga tricycle drivers out there, maraming salamat po sa pagtutok sa programang iConfessions at gabi-gabi naging paborito nyo ng tambayan na kasama ninyo. Maraming salamat po. At sa ating mga jeepney drivers na pumapasada pa rin ngayon kahit madaling araw na, maraming salamat. At sa ating mga medical people sa ospital na naka-night duty at sa kanilang mga opisina rin na naka-night duty, okay lang yan with night differential shift. It's okay. Next naman. At sa ating mga security guard, kalimutan na ang lahat, wag lamang sila, o diba? Because they are securing us. With security guards, you are guarded, you are secured. Next naman. At sa lahat po ng nasa kanilang tahanan ngayon na patulog na at magpapahinga, maraming salamat sa paghintay na matapos ang programang iConfessions, matapos ang KZ Sandalan. Next naman. At ayan nga po, officially tapos na ang programang iConfessions at mamayang gabi magbabalik tayong muli para sa iConfessions mo, best friend. Ikaw naman ngayon, ikaw naman ang hayaan mo na makarelate naman kami sa pinagdaraanan mo, best friend. 9 p.m. to 1 a.m. muli ng madaling araw ngayong Friday! Oh my, it's already Friday. I'm so happy. I'm going home to the place where I belong. We're ay, tumigil. Oh, ayun nga mga best friend, it's already Friday. Kaya party! Thank God it's Friday. At good morning, best friend. Good morning. I pray na magkaroon ka ng magandang Friday ngayon. No bad vibes, no bad trip. Always positive lang lahat ng pangyayari sa buhay mo. Tingnan mo lang ang positive sides. Huwag mong pansinin ang mga taong nangungutya sa'yo, mga taong inggit sa'yo. Ako naman, pray for them, diba? At yan ang mga best friend. Maraming salamat. At kay tatay, nako, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa atin. At sa estudyante, okay lang yan. Friday naman na bukas. Uy, sumama kay KZ Sandalan. Maraming salamat sa inyo mga best friends. Ito po ang nakasama nyo, ang nag-iisa at wala nang iba. KZ Sandalan nagpapaalala, laging umiti para laging maganda at pogi. God bless you, best friend. IFM.
I've lived my life to be lying here. ay aking best friend.
Two hearts together, we're a harmony so right. Two sparks united, we're a fire burning bright.
For the truth, always brand new. Right from the jump, we had a hunch that we had everything.
Perfect combination, love plus you and me. A perfect combination, we couldn't ask for any better. Perfect combination, we fit to a team. A perfect combination, with all it takes to last forever together. So deep inside, we share a feeling that's so rare, so sweet, just knowing that we are a special pair.
Right on time, we're two of a kind, and heaven knows this love will grow stronger every day.
Perfect combination, love plus you and me. Perfect combination, we couldn't ask for any better. Perfect combination,
We fit to a team.
a perfect combination, with all it takes to last forever together. We can conquer any mountain,
Baby,
just as long as we're together. 'Cause as one, we are an endless fountain, overflowing with love. Perfect love, perfect combination. Love plus you and me. Perfect combination, we couldn't ask for any better. Oh no, we fit to a team, a perfect combination, with all it takes to last forever. Perfect combination,
perfect,
love plus you and me. A perfect combination, we couldn't ask for any better. Baby,
You and me, just you and me, yeah.
baby, perfect combination, love plus you and me. Perfect combination. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, shall I stay? Would it be a sin? Oh, if I can't help falling in love with a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. Oh, for I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Won't take my hand, take my whole life too. For I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, for I can't help falling in love with you. It's a happy holiday in the Philippines.
This is IFM. The music station of RMN. In Dagupan, 104.7. 104.7.
Hit after hit, IFM.
Don't give up on us, baby. Don't make the wrong seem right. The future isn't just one night. It's written in the moonlight, painted on the stars. We can't change ours. Don't give up on us, baby. We're still worth one more try. I know we put a last one by, just for a rainy evening, when maybe stars are few. Don't give up on us, I know we can still come through. I really lost my head last night. You've got a right to stop believing. There's still a little love left, even so. Don't give up on us, baby. Lord knows we've come this far. Can't we stay the way we are? The angel and the dreamer, who sometimes plays a fool. Don't give up on us, I know we can still come through. It's written